Everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I am here with a new video in which I will explain you about if your phone hangs or restart automatically, how you can solve this issue in your device Samsung S22 Ultra. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's move to our video. If your phone hangs or restart automatically, you can solve this issue by the way as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the hang and restart problem in your device. Let's watch the video.